A carbide burr tool is extremely useful in broken bolt removal because it provides the cutting power and precision needed to grind away seized, snapped, or stripped bolts and studs when traditional extraction methods fail. In many repair situations, bolts can become corroded, over-tightened, or heat-seized within threaded holes, causing them to break off flush with or below the surface of the surrounding material. This makes conventional removal tools such as extractors, wrenches, or pliers ineffective. A carbide burr tool mounted on a high-speed die grinder allows the technician to carefully grind down the remaining bolt material, gradually reducing it until it can be removed or the threads can be salvaged. The extreme hardness of carbide makes it capable of cutting through hardened fasteners, even those made from high-strength steel alloys. In broken bolt removal, a carbide burr tool is especially valuable for working in confined or awkward spaces where precision is critical. Broken bolts often sit deep within engine blocks, machinery housings, exhaust manifolds, or structural assemblies where access is limited. The variety of carbide burr shapes allows the operator to reach into these tight areas and selectively remove bolt material without damaging the surrounding threads or base metal. By working slowly and with controlled pressure, the technician can grind away the bolt while preserving as much of the original threaded hole as possible, which may allow for retapping or thread repair inserts later in the process. A carbide burr tool also plays an important role in reducing overall repair time and avoiding more destructive removal methods. Alternative techniques such as drilling out bolts or using heat and extraction tools can sometimes damage the surrounding material or require complete remachining of the threaded area. The carbide burr tool offers a more controlled approach, allowing for gradual material removal.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.